What you doing?
Cleaning out the car from Thanksgiving. So I just got this new car vacuum. It's pretty sweet. Look at all the attachments this comes with. But check out these attachments. So it's got the hose, it's got a bunch of different other attachments as well. You can see in there, we've been cleaning already. And it's also a blower. So get everything out. Up front, we could use them on your all-weather mats and they would work really well. But just an overall pretty sweet gift. I'm gonna link it in the orange cart below. It's on sale right now. Click on it and go get yours today.